Thank you for choosing us for your care. Here are 5 steps to get the high-quality care you need safely. If you're not feeling well or need care, contact your primary care provider right away. Of course, if it's an emergency, call 911. For many conditions, you can meet with a provider from the comfort of home on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. You can chat with your doctor in a virtual visit, send a private message on MyChart, fill out an online questionnaire, or simply talk on the phone. If you need treatment in person, your provider will help you decide if you should come in now or wait. Delaying some types of care could let your condition get much worse and harder to treat later. For that reason, your provider may advise you not to delay things like well-child visits and vaccines, emergency care, and care for chronic conditions such as diabetes. Before you come to your appointment, we will give you instructions on how to prepare and what to expect. For example, if you are having surgery, you might be asked to have a COVID test, stay home for 2 days, and avoid close contact with others. You can count on us to do all we can to protect you from COVID-19. When you arrive, you will see a number of new safety measures. A screener will meet visitors at the entrance to ask about your symptoms and supply masks and hand sanitizer. Masks or face cloths are required for everyone over age 2. It's okay to wear your own mask as long as it doesn't have a valve or ventilator on it. While you are here, please stay 6 feet apart from others. We have rearranged all of our spaces and added signs and floor decals to help you keep your distance. Anyone with suspected or confirmed COVID-19 is kept away from other patients. Some of our other precautions include plexiglass shields in the check-in areas, extensive training for staff on how to protect you from COVID-19, constant monitoring of supplies of personal protective equipment to make sure we have enough, detailed daily health surveys of all on-site staff. Those with possible symptoms stay off campus and are tested. Thorough cleaning of patient rooms and waiting areas. After you go home, we will continue to help you stay safe from COVID-19. Please contact your provider by phone or on MyChart if you have any questions or concerns. You can also call our COVID-19 hotline at 833-647-8222. Together, we can help keep everyone safe and healthy. We look forward to seeing you soon.